What is up, dudes and dudettes? This is, of course, your guy, LL here, and today we're going to be taking a bit of a dive into the Algorand ecosystem, which has been slowly growing their DeFi sector, and there's obviously a lot of NFT marketplaces also emerging, newest one being LimeWire, which I'm kind of excited about, and obviously there are a lot of interesting IoT projects like Planet Watch and other things that we have discussed on the channel, but today we are going to be solely focusing on the faucets, because there's a lot of people who want to try these dapps on Algorand, but maybe they don't have any money, so they want to have some pocket change, or they want to just increase their, stake holdings. But let's get started. So the first thing we have here is called the Algo Faucet. This is a weekly faucet, which is visiting on Sunday, so I assume the payment is going to be done on Sunday or on Monday. And the only thing you need to do, paste your address in, and then you hit the submit, and basically you're going to be entering for this faucet. This is like purely run by donations, and I think they're going to be doing like some type of a, obviously they're like delegator or something, which gives them like other rewards. And obviously, if you want to donate to them, it would be obviously cool, because you need always some money trickle down to the people in the very bottom, so they're gonna get to, learn about these things, because there's not really any like per se earn applications yet on Algorand, which would just get you like free stuff which you could convert to Algorand on a DEX. But let's move into our next faucet here, which is called Algo Drops. This is something that you can use every 2 days. So both of these are not very grindable. You just kind of check in when you have the time has, summed up. And this one actually offers you Algorand, Yieldly, and Smilecoin. I'm not very familiar with Smilecoin, but Yieldly is kind of like the very first yield farming project on Algorand. I have covered it on a singular video on the channel before. So in case you want some Yieldly, which you can stake to get Algorand, by the way, on their platform, or you can go for Algorand directly, which might be better. And you just paste in your public address and you clear the CAPTCHA and submit. You get like 0.001 Algorand per claim, which is not like too shabby when you think about it in terms of a single payment. But let's move into these more grindable things. So we have Algo Faucet, which I've covered before on the channel, and these one have multitude of different platforms, things you can basically, earn, or different coins that you can earn, Algorand being one of them. And these are supporting direct withdrawals, and the minimum is 0.1 Algorand, so that's roughly a 10 cents. The transaction fee on that is very low, which is good. And they have, a normal auto claim faucets. They have manual claim faucets. Games are coming out soon. There's an inbuilt exchange where you can change one coin to another. There's also a referral program here. Apparently, I have quite many. And you get 20% from those. And then there are short links, apparently web mining opportunity as well, which is always an option for people who are at, a job or school. Maybe they want to use somebody else's computer to make some good money. And there's GUI miner, command line mining, and website plugin even. That's interesting. And there's also daily bonuses and offer walls for those who are looking. So a lot of different ways for you to earn, depending on what type of method you like to grind on the faucets the most. Next up, we have a final auto claim by Ducci Corp. This one basically allows you to use different types of things. There's like contests, there's staking, and multitude of different coins available here, Algorand included. And it's like auto faucets, and you get these Ducci points, which you can then basically exchange to a cryptocurrency of your choosing. So if I want to choose the amount of Satoshis that I want to change, $25 a day, I think is the maximum or something. I don't remember the exact sum. And you can basically get those Algorands, and then after that you can insert your address. And as you can see, daily limit of 25. So after that, you can basically withdraw. There's other things here on the platform. I think here you can do like, I think there's offer walls. There's obviously a referral program, short links, and other types of things, which basically allow you to make more money. Yeah, here we go. So a lot of different things: surf ads, PTC walls, geo mining, yada yada yada. So different ways to basically earn Algorand once again. And as our last one is not directly, this is an Algorand Casino, and they basically give out these tokens, which I think are called ticker chips. And this is like a pretty new thing, and you can play with these tokens inside the casino. And I think it was, although where can I see the faucet? Here we go. So every 48 hours, you're basically able to claim 10 credits, and you can basically use them on the casino. I kind of had problems, deciding would I feature the testnet faucet as the fifth one in this video. And then there's not really enough Algorand faucets yet on the market as of right now, but still, there's a lot to choose from in terms of options that I offered here today. So hopefully you can get grinding and find something more suitable to you. Now, as always, you can drop some tips into this address, whatever you want to, or in case you're like dapp developer, maybe you want to get into my emails and send a business inquiry regarding some feature or something, we can always look into those things and work maybe something out. But thanks for watching. As always, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Cheers.